How can I fix this? Even if it's not my fault. You see, what might not be your fault, that doesn't mean it's not now your responsibility. And especially adults, you're the adult, you know better. And he said, my husband's a jerkhead. He always, stop. How can I fix this? Let's not fix him or fix her. How can you fix yourself so that you don't explode, place blame, accuse, say these words? And that might be like, you know what? I just need to step back and I just need to inhale peace, exhale love. I can't change it, but I can change how I respond.